this is Miko and welcome back to our channel. If di pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe now guys. Today's vlog, due to public demand, I'll be sharing my workouts. There's actually a lot of people asking how I got my body from this to this. So today guys, we are here at Station Live Gym and I will be sharing you the best 5 leg workouts for bigger legs and for bigger butt. So guys, I decided to share the leg workout first kasi papansin ko there's a lot of guys that are skipping leg day and gusto ko ma-realize nila how important it is and also to highlight the benefits na makukuha natin sa pagle-leg day natin. So guys, let's do our warm-up first. Kasi leg day is actually the most demanding day of the week. Kasi it's a total body workout. So, let's go ahead. Okay guys, our first workout for today is going to be squats. Pero before tayo mag-start, turo ko muna sa inyo yung proper posture on how to do squats. Alright? Okay guys, here's one way para malaman natin if tama nga ba yung pag-i-squat natin. So, tayo kayo sa harap ng salamin ng gym. Okay? Like 3 to 4 inches away dun sa salamin. Hindi naman masyado malapit, diba? And then do a squat. Kapag tumama yung tuhod nyo sa salamin, ibig sabihin mali yung ginagawa nyo pag-squat. Okay? Tignan nyo itong back view na to. Dapat hindi magfa-forward ang tuhod. Okay? Yan. See? Hindi nagfa-forward yung tuhod. And lahat sa likod. Ayan. So parang ang weight dito is nasa heels nyo. So sometimes you get out of balance and that's normal. So na guys, alam niyo na kung paano i-initiate or yung tamang posture ng pag-squat. So pwede na tayo mag-start. Let's go. Alright guys, so for squats, we're gonna do this in 3 sets with 10 repetitions each. Alright? And remind ko lang kayo guys, buhatin nyo lang yung kaya nyo para, hindi tayo ma-injured or anything, para safe tayo. Alright? Okay guys, for the knee squats, our second workout would be calf raises. Let's go. So guys, it's just the same with squats. We'll do 3 sets with 10 repetitions. Alright? Alright guys, our next workout, the third workout is leg extensions. It's just gonna be the same 3 sets with 10 repetitions. Alright guys, let's go to our fourth workout. It's called the leg curls. Okay, this is for our hamstrings. And it's just the same. 3 sets with 10 repetitions. Okay guys, our fifth workout for today is gonna be Romanian deadlift, and same thing, 3 sets and 10 repetitions. Let's go. That's about it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo sa vlog natin today. And please like and subscribe for more workouts. Once again, this is Miko and I'll see you